Want to track someone's location using your iPhone and Google Maps? The safe and correct way to do it is through location sharing, and I'll show you how. First, open Google Maps on your iPhone. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account. Next, tap your profile icon on the top right. Then select location sharing. From there, tap share location and choose how long you want to share it. This can be for a set time or until you turn it off. Now, select the contact you want to share your location with, or send them a link through messages. The other person will need to open the link and allow location access on their device. Once both of you have shared your locations, you'll be able to see each other's real time location directly on the map. This is perfect for meeting up, tracking friends during travel, or just making sure someone gets home safely. Just remember, location sharing only works if both people agree and enable it on their devices. And that's it, a simple and safe way to track location using Google Maps.